Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. This is your favorite tech savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur the background of your video using your smartphone. So let me give you an example of what I mean. So this is a particular video I recorded some weeks ago. Let me show you. So this is a video I recorded some days ago. You can see the video, you can see the background very well. So let me show you the one that no longer has a clear background like this. So let's go back to, okay. So you can see this one now. See, the background is very blurred. So this is what I'm going to show you how to achieve using your smartphone. So if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this particular channel so that you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. Okay, so subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video so that YouTube will get to show it to more persons. All right, so let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to open my application, which is CAPCUT. I use CAPCUT for this particular video. Okay, so go to CAPCUT and you're going to add a new project. Okay, so you add new project from here, and then you're going to select the video that you want to work with. So I'm going to look for that particular video now. Okay, so this is the video I'm going to add, and let me mute it. Okay, so now this is the video. So the next thing I want to do is to add effects to this particular video. So I'm going to head over to effects. I go to video effects, and I'm going to look for blur. So you can use the search button to search for blur. So there are various blur here, you can see them. So I'm going to be using this particular one you're seeing here. So you can see I've gotten this particular one. Okay, let's go back again, add effects. So I go to search and I search for blur. So I click on it to add this particular one. So it's already added to it now. So the next thing I want to do, just go back, I click mark to make sure that it's there. I'm going to make sure it starts from the beginning to the ending. Okay, that's what I'm going to do next, beginning to the ending of this particular video. So you can see it here. So that's how it is. Now next thing I want to do is to add overlay. Okay, so we just click back and you see option for overlay, and you're going to add overlay. So you're going to bring this particular video again as an overlay on this first video. So I go back again to look for that video. Okay, so see it here. So I'm going to add again. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to use your hand to adjust it to make sure it's showing you like it's already well fitted. Okay, so I think this is perfect. So the next thing I want to do is to look for cutout. You can see cutout here now. So click on cutout and you're going to see remove background. So I'm going to click on remove background, and I'll say, okay, the background is actually removing now. I think so. Good. The background has gone off. So I click OK. So you can see now that this particular image background has gone off. If you adjust it, you can see how the image is. It's now on its own. So that's how it is. So just bring it back to the middle again. Bring it back to the middle. You adjust it very well so that you make sure that both sides are well fitted. Okay. Okay, so play this now and see. So you can see how it is. So there is no way you're going to see the video that is at the back where you blurred. You're going to be seeing more of this particular one that you remove background on. And then when you're done, you can start adding your text, anything you want to add to it to make it more lively. So that's how you remove background from your video using CapCut. If you got value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to this channel, all right? Subscribe. Don't forget to also like this video so that YouTube will get to show it to more person, and also click on notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. Bye.